Civil Service Exam Reviewer, correct usage. Let me know if you can score a perfect 10 out of 10. The teacher asked the students to hand in their projects blank Friday. A, in, B, on, C, at, D, by. The correct answer is letter B, on. We use on with days of the week on Friday. I'd rather stay home tonight blank go out in the rain. A, then B, then. C, that. D, to. The correct answer is letter A, then. The correct phrase is rather than. The new intern has shown great blank in learning the job quickly. A, patience, B, patience. C, passions. D, patience. The correct answer is letter B, patience. Patience equals calm endurance. Patience equals people under medical care. We'll start the meeting as soon as everyone blank. A, arrive. B, arrives. C, arrived. D, arriving. The correct answer is letter B, arrives. Everyone is singular, so use arrives. The storm caused severe blank to the coastal towns. A, damages. B, damage. C, damaging. D, damaged. The correct answer is letter B, damage. Damage is an uncountable noun. No plural form. He spoke so softly that I could blank hear him. A, barely. B, nearly. C, rarely. D, hardly, ever. The correct answer is letter A, barely. Barely here means almost not at all. Fits the context perfectly. If I blank more time, I would have joined you. A, have. B, had. C, has. D, having. The correct answer is letter B, had. Unreal past condition uses if I had, plus would have. She has been working here blank 2015. A for B since, C from D by. The correct answer is letter B, since. Since is used with specific starting points in time. The committee will meet to blank the final proposal. A, accept. B, accept. C, accept. D, accepted. The correct answer is letter B, accept. Accept equals to agree to or approve. Accept equals to exclude. I was shocked by how quickly she blanked the situation. A, adapts. B, adopted. C, adapted to. D, adopt to. The correct answer is letter C, adapted to. The phrase is adapted to, adjusted to. Adopted means took in or began using. What is your score?